If someone with a wealthy mindset had to live on minimum wage, the first thing they would do is something most people avoid. They would make a harsh audit of their entire life and cut every expense that does not keep them stable. No hesitation. No emotional excuses. With a small paycheck, you cannot afford comfort purchases. You can only afford what keeps you moving forward. While others complain that they cannot afford a weekend treat, this person would prepare simple meals without feeling embarrassed. Not because they love basic food, but because they understand that spending on extras with tiny income is like pouring water into a cracked bucket. It disappears before it helps you. Unnecessary subscriptions vanish. Having multiple platforms to rewatch the same content is a luxury that someone with low income cannot justify. Minimum wage is not entertainment and comfort. It is survival and strategy. Overpriced coffee disappears from their routine. Someone who thinks like a builder does not spend several dollars on something they can prepare at home for pennies. And if they ever choose to buy that coffee, it is because it brings opportunities that return more than what it costs. On minimum wage, the most important meeting is with your kitchen, not with a cashier at a coffee shop. Now comes the part people dislike. Many believe small expenses do not matter. They do matter. Tiny leaks sink entire ships. Someone with a wealthy mindset knows this and eliminates them early. A simple example. On minimum wage, 2 delivery meals and 1 music subscription can ruin a weekly budget. The disciplined person uses that same money to fill their kitchen for weeks. One lives for online appearances, the other lives for real progress. Now think about yourself. If tomorrow you earn minimum wage, what is the first unnecessary thing you would cut? Your answer reveals your mentality. A person with a wealthy mindset living on minimum wage would not lie to themselves. They know the priority is stability, not impressing strangers. They would send every dollar to what matters. Food, shelter, transportation. Everything else waits. Food becomes simple and practical. No luxury snacks. No pretty packages designed to tempt you. They stick to essentials. Rice, beans, pasta, eggs, seasonal produce. Affordable items that keep people strong in many countries. Maybe not exciting, but powerful. Then comes housing. Someone with a wealthy mindset would never allow half their income to vanish into rent without searching for alternatives. They would look for roommates, negotiate, or explore cheaper areas. Every dollar wasted on excessive housing is a dollar that cannot grow. Transportation follows the same idea. No taxis for convenience. No replacing gadgets while their bike is still fixable. On minimum wage, the real luxury is arriving at work without destroying your paycheck in the process. Walking, public transit, and shared rides become normal. Not stylish, but effective. The difference is in the mindset. Some think living this way is sad. The disciplined person sees it as strategic because it frees resources. One gets discouraged by austerity. The other sees it as a temporary tool. Now ask yourself, if you lived on minimum wage tomorrow, would you know the difference between what you need and what your ego wants? Be honest, because your discipline is revealed in these choices. A person with a wealthy mindset earning minimum wage rejects the excuse that you cannot save with little. They know the amount is not the point. The habit is. If you earn $300 and spend $300, you stay the same forever. If you earn $300 and save even a single coin, you start shaping your identity. Saving $1 does not change everything instantly, but it changes who you become. You shift from being controlled by money to controlling money. That transformation is priceless. Imagine reaching the end of the month and facing a small emergency. A bus fare, a medicine, a tool. If you created even a tiny reserve, you handle it without fear. If not, you panic. People say they will save when they earn more, but that is a lie they repeat to themselves. If you cannot save $1 now, you will not save 10 later. Habits do not rise with income. They rise with discipline. Ironically, people who say they cannot save somehow buy fast food or weekend entertainment. The problem is not the amount. It is the mindset. Someone with a wealthy mindset on minimum wage laughs at these excuses. They save even leftover change because small discipline today becomes freedom tomorrow. They never spend every cent just to survive. They always protect a bit to multiply it. If you only work to pay bills, you stay trapped. You must plant seeds, even small ones. Seeds grow later. For example, with $20 they could buy ingredients to cook and sell meals, or buy simple tools, or pay for data to finish a freelance task. The size of the investment does not matter. What matters is that it creates return. Many people think $20 is useless. That belief keeps them stuck. Someone with a wealthy mindset sees possibility, not limitation. They see 20 turning into 30, then 50, then 100. Someone else spends the same 20 on a trendy item and feels good for a moment. The disciplined person uses that same money to create something that pays them back. Both spent the same, but one destroyed money while the other grew it. That is the difference. You think consumption. They think expansion. On minimum wage, your money must work for you. Someone with a wealthy mindset understands this deeply. They identify the real enemy. Liabilities. Tiny purchases disguised as rewards that drain your money slowly. Imagine leaving home with $100. A fancy coffee takes 5. A snack takes 3. A taxi takes 15. A quick dinner takes 20. Suddenly, you have coins left and the month barely started. Familiar. Someone with a wealthy mindset avoids this trap. They know $100 can last weeks when used intentionally, or can disappear in hours when used carelessly. Instant pleasure is expensive because it steals your future. Another example. Someone buys fashionable clothes for $30 just to show online. The disciplined person uses that money to buy materials that flip into 60. One collects digital likes. The other collects cash flow. Who is thinking small and who is thinking big? Many people earning minimum wage say they cannot afford anything, yet their bags are filled with overpriced snacks and impulsive items. Then they complain about their account balance. Someone with a wealthy mindset avoids liabilities because minimum wage cannot support careless consumption. Every wasted dollar keeps you stuck. They do not spend impulsively. They plan every purchase with intention. Survival or collapse comes not from how much you earn, but from how long your money lasts. Someone buys fast food for 3 days and ends starving later. The disciplined person uses that same money to buy groceries in bulk. Rice, beans, pasta, cheap vegetables. They cook large meals and divide them into portions. They finish the month without begging for coins. Transportation works the same way. Instead of daily taxis, they buy a monthly bus pass, or they walk, or they share rides. Not glamorous, but wise. Disciplined planning means thinking about the whole month, not the convenience of the moment. On minimum wage, you cannot buy pleasure randomly. Every unplanned purchase becomes a hole in your financial boat. Many people with low incomes spend as if tomorrow brings a miracle. Someone with a wealthy mindset knows there is no miracle. They manage each dollar with intention. They do not wait for luck. They create progress. They reject the typical scarcity mindset. Not enough. Impossible. Only survival. Thinking like that becomes a prison. They ask a new question. What can I do with the money? I have to stretch it, grow it, and open doors. That question changes everything. 2 people receive $300. One complains and loses control. The other uses creativity and ends with $350. Who truly had more? The one who thought differently. Ironically, many people earning $3,000 stay broke because they spend without purpose. Meanwhile, someone earning minimum wage moves forward because they focus on possibilities. Money grows in your mind before it grows in your bank. If you think in scarcity, nothing will ever be enough. If you think in growth, every dollar becomes a tool. Someone with a wealthy mindset knows the most valuable part is the discipline they are building. If you cannot handle 300, you cannot handle 3,000. If you cannot handle 3,000, you cannot handle 30,000. The number grows, but the behavior stays the same. Someone who learns to save $10 on minimum wage becomes someone who can manage larger amounts later. Someone who spends everything at low income will continue spending everything at high income. Discipline is a muscle. If you do not train it when resources are small, it will not exist when resources are big. This is why they see minimum wage as training. Difficult, but powerful. Most people wait to have more before getting organized. It is like saying you will go to the gym once you are already fit. It will never happen. Someone with a wealthy mindset acts now. They treat each dollar as preparation for the future. Minimum wage is not humiliation. It is a classroom. Wealth grows from consistency, not from luck. They do not view minimum wage as punishment. They view it as a platform. While others complain about limitations, they focus on creation. Someone on minimum wage says there is no way to save or invest. That mindset locks them down. Someone with a wealthy mindset uses each month to try new ideas, learn skills, and test small ventures. Minimum wage becomes a starting point, not a cage. Wealth rarely begins with abundance. It begins with strategy. Most people wait for their income to change so they can improve. Disciplined people improve so their income can change. With minimum wage, they do not look for pity. They look for direction. What matters is not the number on your paycheck. What matters is the choices you make. Many suffer with little and later suffer with more because their habits never changed. Someone with a wealthy mindset uses minimum wage to build momentum, not misery. You have seen the principles. Cut waste. Focus on essentials. Save even small amounts. Invest tiny seeds. Avoid liabilities. Plan with intention. Reject scarcity. Train discipline. Build relationships. Learn skills. Practice patience. A person with a wealthy mindset would not collapse on minimum wage because their decisions do not shrink with their income. Most people hope money will fix their mindset. Mindset is what fixes money. Here is the truth. If you cannot manage little, you cannot manage much. Money does not correct your mistakes. It magnifies them. If you are disorganized with small amounts, you will be disorganized with large amounts. The difference between you and someone with a wealthy mindset is not the paycheck. It is the approach. Now that you know this, you cannot use the excuse of not earning enough. Your money becomes enough when you learn how to direct it. So here is the challenge. If tomorrow you lived on minimum wage, what would you do? Continue wasting money or apply what you learned today? Answer honestly. Your future depends on it. Someone with a wealthy mindset on minimum wage practices a rare luxury. Long-term thinking. Most people live checking days until the next paycheck. They live in constant stress. Someone with a wealthy mindset uses calm planning to build structure. That makes a huge difference. You get paid on Friday and you panic on Monday because the money disappears. They use the same paycheck and give every dollar a purpose. Food, saving, growth. Nothing random. They do not feel poor for living simply. They feel wise. Every sacrifice now becomes strength later. While some cry about skipping pizza, they smile because that money is already working for their future. They do not need a salary increase to improve. They improve and the salary becomes more powerful. Poor thinking focuses on surviving. Wealthy thinking focuses on strategy. They do not waste their income on fast pleasure. They use part of it to learn something new. The best investment is not clothing or gadgets. It is a skill that creates income later. You spend $20 on a meal that disappears in minutes. Someone with a wealthy mindset spends that same $20 on learning design, editing, writing, marketing, or any skill that turns into money. One buys satisfaction. The other buys opportunity. Many people claim they have no money to learn, but they still spend on weekend fun. Someone with a wealthy mindset knows parties can wait. Skills remain. That is how they escape the cycle. They do not wait for a raise. They build their own path. While others spend money to escape their reality, they invest money to change it. They use something everyone has but almost no one uses correctly. Their network. The opportunity you need often does not come from your wallet. It comes from a conversation. Many people finish work and spend the night scrolling. Someone with a wealthy mindset uses those hours to connect, offer help, and build presence. They may not make money instantly, but they grow visibility, and visibility brings chances. People on minimum wage say they have nothing to offer. They do. They can offer reliability, effort, and consistency. Someone with a wealthy mindset turns that into social capital, often more valuable than money. You see contacts as people to ask favors from. They see contacts as partners for mutual growth. That difference matters. Poor thinking focuses on what is missing. Wealthy thinking focuses on who they can learn from. On minimum wage, they would not fear asking questions or connecting with smarter people. One good relationship can change your path faster than any raise. Finally, someone with a wealthy mindset does not panic when payday feels far away. They do not burn their last bills on impulse. They hold something most people fail to develop. Patience. You get paid, spend everything in days, and spend the rest of the month stressed. They stretch every dollar like oxygen. They stay calm. They wait. Patience saves money and prevents disasters. People with minimum wage want fast results. They want shortcuts. Those shortcuts lead to scams and debt. Someone with a wealthy mindset avoids this because patience is their strength. Every month becomes a test, not a nightmare. Shortcuts ruin more futures than hard work ever will. Calm thinking is their shield. You have seen everything. Someone with a wealthy mindset cuts waste, focuses on essentials, saves consistently, invests small amounts, avoids liabilities, plans with intention, rejects scarcity, trains discipline, builds skills, uses patience. Money multiplies your mindset, not the other way around. If you think small, your life stays small. If you think like a builder, you rise even from zero. Here is the truth. Most people think the secret is earning more. The real secret is managing better. This feels uncomfortable because it means the barrier is not your boss or the system. The barrier is your habits. Now you decide. If tomorrow you lived on minimum wage, what would you do? Stay trapped in careless spending or apply what you learned today? Your answer defines your future.